Carefully lay out the items from the supplied bag. You will need these later on when assembling your machine. Carefully lift and rotate your machine. This will make it easier to assemble. Carefully unscrew the screws that are situated at the back of the machine. Pick up your roller support bars. Screw the roller support bars in place. Attach the front roller. Attach the back roller. Remove the pin that holds the machine clamped together. Ensure the flap is pointed upwards. Unpack your film roll. Place the film roll in between the two rollers at the back of the machine and lift it out. Place the die set onto your machine. Place the container into the machine. Plug in your machine and switch on at the wall. Switch on your machine. Set the required temperature. Wait for your machine to heat up. Pull the film through to the end of the container. Point the flap downwards to hold the film in place. With both hands, close the machine and hold in place for 2 to 5 seconds. Lift out your sealed container. Change the die set if required. Place the container into the machine. Pull the film through to the end of the container. Once sealed, score through the middle with a craft knife or scissors. Lift out your sealed container.